guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is what's this day? Day what of nail mask? Right now I can't remember. So today is day something of nail mask. I'll be attempting 3D French nails once again, but with a twist. But I won't be spilling the secret right here, so you have to watch the entire video. So it won't be a heavy talk through type video, but I will definitely be talking at some point in the throughout the video. But I'll be using polygel today, so I'll be using two types of polygel, glitters for the nail design, because it's all about festivity. It's all about trying to be festive for the Christmas. So I'll take my white polygel to create the base on the smile line. To manipulate that polygel, we can use alcohol for slip solution. If you have slip solution, you can use that. 70% alcohol or higher is fine, but I feel like I want to get my hands on some slip solution to see if I do manage it well, because I have a love-hate relationship with polygel right now. So you will see throughout the video what I'm talking about. Yes, but if you don't have any slip solution, as I said before, you can use alcohol 70% or higher. Then I will use the different shades of glitters down the nail. Very simple. I'll be repeating this throughout the entire video, so it's very self-explanatory, hence why I won't be doing so much of a talk through. So you may have seen or heard about 3D nails. If you haven't, go check it out. It's popping. So yes, I'm one of those persons who attempted. It wasn't bad. Yeah, it wasn't bad, I'm not gonna lie. Video in the description if you want to see how I achieved it on my third try. Video in the description, or I'm going to link it in the iCards above. But I don't think I will ever offer it as a service. This here is time consuming, and it don't matter what position, what method you take, it's going to be long. Using 3 colors, it's fine, but I feel like I'm just extra. That's the problem. I'm just extra. So yeah, just imagine doing the nails long and how long the duration of the service is going to be. Think about all of that. So as I have said before, that I won't spill the tea. Have you guys noticed anything yet? If you do, like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Felt this method was much quicker than my last 3D French video. As I said, I will link that video down below. That took me, how long did I see this? It took me at least half an hour. That video took me half an hour. I actually broke it down to probably like 10 minutes, but that video took me half an hour. That one nail took me half an hour. Just think about it. So the reason being is that I had to wait until the acrylic paint dried to proceed, and even that the acrylic paint didn't dry properly, so that took me some time. So I did each application of the gel. I will cure, then I'll go over the area with the polygel, and then I'll shape off camera to kind of do kill time, but that didn't take long. So I repeat this steps throughout the entire video. As I said before, it's self-explanatory. It's not complicated at all. So if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty, where I take my hands and make fashion. I try everything under the sun over here. DIY, hacks, trends, the whole works. So if you like all the above, click that subscribe button, tap the bell beside, so you won't miss an upload from more. I'll be uploading 3 times a week this week, so stay tuned. It's all about nail mask, everything pertaining to nails and Christmas. It's all about nail mask. So thank you guys so very much for watching my video, tuning into my videos. I know I've been late on my uploads, and I do apologize for all of that, but guys, thank you so very much once again for actually watching my videos, and have an awesome day. Peace. I'm out.
When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? Now you're dealing in diamonds. Don't you see that I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, you are getting everything. Now you're dealing in diamonds. Don't you see that I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, you are getting everything. 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining?